again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, we're doing a really simple, vegan, Indian potato curry. Really, really delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to get started. I've got a pan or a wok or whatever you want to use. I've got some oil in there. Now you can be using any type of oil that you want, or if you want ghee, but I'm going to keep this vegan. I'm using a sunflower oil, by the way, but whatever you like really. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by dropping in, as you can see there, some cumin seeds and some optional dried chilli. And what we want to do is we just want to let them do their thing in that hot oil. Then infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. So just let them run around there for a few seconds. And then simply what we're going to do is add our potatoes. Our potatoes are right there. I've peeled them and washed them. You can cut them at any size you want, and they're raw. They're not cooked at all yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw them in just about now, and we're going to fry them around for about 3 to 4 minutes. Might be a bit noisy, so enough talking from me. See you in about 3 or 4. So as you can see, we've got some nice colour on these now. I mean, they're still hard, but we've got a lovely bit of colour and obviously some nice flavour from our cumin seeds and chilli. I'm now going to add in some chopped onion. I'm using red, but you could be using anything, I suppose, if you want. I'm then going to add this, which is finely chopped garlic and ginger, a 50-50 mix garlic ginger paste. In that goes. I'm now going to add some salt, and then we're going to continue frying this on a kind of fairly high heat for about another 3 minutes. And as you can see now, our onions are just starting to change colour. Got some lovely flavours in there, but we're going to get some more in. So first of all, we're going to get in some tomatoes. Chopped tomato, fresh tomato. Try and use a nice ripe one. I've cut it really small. To that I'm going to add in some optional fresh green chilli. Then we're going to go in with our powders. So can you see that little teaspoon? For this amount I'm using one of these each. The big 4 that I call them. Chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. If you wanted, of course you could be using your favourite curry powder mix you already have. Just give that a little stir around. So now I'm going to add a touch of water. Now hopefully the tomatoes will also break down a little bit and give us a little bit more moisture. But very simply now, just get the heat on medium, get a lid on that, give it a stir every now and then. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off now and get this lid off. There's a lot of steam here, give us a second. And there we go, look at that. Really happy with that. So you just need to cook this depending on how big or small you've cut your potatoes, but you want them, there you go, beautifully soft as you can see. Check that for salt. A little bit of cilantro or coriander at the end. Give that a little mix. And we're done. We've got a really simple, delicious, vegan, Indian, spicy potato curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?